Welcome back, viewers. Yesterday evening, I wanted to install Linux VST. So VSTs are filters that are used for the audio processing. So for my recording of the different videos, I use OBS. So OBS can use different audio filters to improve the quality of the audio that is getting recorded along with the screen recording. So screen recording as well as the audio recording through the microphone is done by the OBS Studio, and OBS Studio works very fine with different kinds of audio filters. You can also use different video filters. So I wanted to install certain uh, audio filters. So I had downloaded the zip file. So these are the Linux VST audio filters. You can see here, these are the different audio filters. And not just audio filters, they also add certain effects. So they are also effect filters, they are also audio filters. So they will improve the sound, they will add certain effects to the sound. So everything is possible in this Linux VST. So that is available on the net. I will share the link with you in the video description. You can download it there. But I encountered one problem, that I could not copy this file. So what you have to do is you have to unzip the Linux VST zip file from the website, and then you have to just unzip and copy paste it here. But the system was not letting me copy paste because I didn't have the privilege. So my user ID didn't have the privileges to copy paste anything in the system folder. So how to overcome this problem? So for that, I had used this. So there is a feature to give the user sudo privileges in the Nautilus file manager. So for that, you have to issue this command sudo Nautilus. So what happens is, once you give this command, it will execute. You can see here the command is getting executed. It is going to change the decomp settings. So you can see the decomp warning is coming up. So some critical warnings will be shown, and at the end, after this command is executed, it will execute with certain with certain messages. For example, child process executed with code 1. So it is going to execute. Don't worry about this. All the messages the system is showing. Once this is done, you can open the file manager and you can just go over to the folder where you want to copy. So you can open the system folder where you want to copy, or even if you want to delete, you can delete any file of the system also with the sudo privilege. So now the user has got sudo privileges, and the sudo privileges will be there, I think, up to the next reboot. Once you reboot, the sudo privileges go away. Then you will be, I think, go back to the original privilege settings. So it is only available up till the session is going on. So I just after doing that command, executing the sudo Nautilus command, I copy pasted this Linux VST folder with all these filters. Then I rebooted the system, and you can see it here. The filters are available. I will just show you. If you go to the VST plugin, you can see here all the filters are available. So you can use any of these filters. It is a very long list. I am not able to show you. Okay, I will just show you. You can see here. It is very long list. You can use any of these VST plugins for your audio recording. So I record all the video audio sessions using OBS. Even streaming also I do in OBS. So this is how you have to do the installation of the Linux VST filters using this method. So you have to use sudo Nautilus to enable the user privileges to copy the Linux VST zip file, unzip it, use sudo Nautilus command, and then copy the unzipped file to the system folder. That's it. So it's very easy. And where you have to copy it? You have to copy it to the user lib VST. So you have to, there is already a VST folder, because once you install the OBS Studio, it will create this VST folder, and in that VST folder you have to copy this Linux VST folder that you downloaded. So I will going to share the link of the Linux VST filters that are available on the some website. So the website I downloaded this Linux VST filters, I'm going to share it with you in the video description, so you can follow my method. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.